Hello, classmates and teacher. My name is Ana Marcela Hoyos Erazo, and today I am going to talk about the effects of technology on the environment. The constant and unstoppable advance of the technology in the world brings with it positive and negative effects for the environment. Some are positive effects, campaigns through social network or through the online service, the recycling of materials or the use of alternative energy sources, renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, or geothermal energy do not run out and in general pollute less than non-renewable sources such as coal or oil. Negative effects. The exclusions of public works such as roads and mining operation modify the ecosystem inhabited by many animal and plant species. Air pollution and subsequent global warming of the planet due to the greenhouse effect or the decrease in the thickness of the ozone layer. Certain technological activities generate highly pollution waste that is difficult to eliminate, such as plastics, plastics or nuclear waste. Oil tanker accidents cause oil leaks that significantly damage marine life populations. I believe that if current trends in technological development continue, in the future, the impact on the environment will be higher and higher since environmental pollution will be sustained over time and will increase causing a chain of unfortunate events that will contribute to global warming, scarcity of natural resources, land degradation, and rapid urbanization due to population's growth. I believe that international organizations such as the United Nations should undertake action that suggests to the different governments to reorganize their climate politics, to take politics that bet of a balance between technological development and sustainable development of cities, all with the sole purpose of postponing and avoiding the environmental damage caused by the accelerated advance of technology of the world. Thanks.